Water spots are a really common and really annoying problem that can occur on all types of glass, but especially on automotive glass. Isn't it frustrating when you spend a lot of energy and effort trying to keep your car or truck looking great, but you just can't seem to solve those stubborn water spots on your car or truck? So I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove those stubborn water spots using ProClean water spot remover from GlasWeld. So before we start using ProClean to remove the water spots from this glass, we're going to want to first prep the glass, and we can do that by removing any debris by thoroughly cleaning the glass, and also by running some tape around the edges, especially if there's rubber moldings or plastic trim. So once the glass is prepped, we're going to go ahead and just take our bottle of ProClean, shake it up really good, make sure the material is really well mixed, and then run a bead of the product right along the edge of this white applicator pad so we can get started. So we're going to use our applicator now to start removing the spots. We're going to use medium pressure and kind of a nice circular motion, probably starting along the bottom where the water spots tend to be more built up. So let's get started. Now, as we do this, again, we're putting medium pressure on the back of the applicator pad, focusing really on the edges and the bottom because that's where the minerals tend to build up more. At one time, we're going to focus on an area about the size of a sheet of paper. And then we'll check that area and we'll make sure we've removed all the spots in that area, and then we'll move on to the next section. So we'll go ahead and stop for a second. You'll notice that we've made some significant progress on these water spots, but with our applicator pad, we do want to stop once in a while and make sure that there's no built-up debris, some brown or black dust on the surface. That can indicate that we're removing a lot of minerals from the glass, so we can rinse out the applicator pad regularly in order to prevent scratching on the glass. Okay, it's looking really good. So we'll go ahead and stop here. We'll go ahead and clean the glass with a paper towel. And as you can see, we've removed the vast majority of these water spots in this area. The glass looks great. So you can see we worked an area about the size of that sheet of paper. It took about a minute, maybe a little bit less, to remove all the water spots in this area. If you have more severe water spotting, it could take you a little bit longer. If you have less severe water spotting, it could take you less time. So now the next step would be to apply a little bit more ProClean product to our applicator pad and start working in the overlapping sections just like we did in this first section. So as you can see, ProClean water spot remover from GlasWeld really works. It's a quick, easy solution for removing those stubborn water spots from all types of glass, including the automotive glass on your cars and trucks. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact GlasWeld today.